In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FX Replay to backtest. Now, the first thing you have to do when you create your account and when you enter your dashboard is you want to go to the testing tab here on the left, and then you want to click on dashboard. Now here you'll be able to create a new session by clicking this blue button at the bottom right. And then over here you can select backtesting session and give it a name. So I'm going to name this test, and then you can also select your account balance, which is your initial demo balance. I'm going to leave it as 100K over here, and then you have to select your assets. I'm going to do Bitcoin over here. As you can see, it's going to automatically pop up the similar things to kind of fill up. I'm going to do Bitcoin USD, and then you can also select a chart layout, which is optional. I'm just going to ignore this, and you have to put in the initial date, for which I'm going to do the December 1st over here, and then the end date as well, for which I'm going to do December 20th. Okay, so a 20-day span. Now whenever you do this, you can just go ahead and click on auto update end date or not. That's completely up to you, and click on create session. When you do that, your session is going to get created, and in here you can then use FX Replay to start backtesting. Now let me show you how this actually works. Over here you have the chart. In case you are familiar with charting, this is a chart from TradingView. So as you can see, I have all the drawing tools here. You have the intervals up here, you have the chart types, the indicators, the layouts, etc. So there's a bunch of different things. Down here at the bottom you can do your buys and sells, and then you can see your realized P&L, and then your account balance, stuff like that. And you can also see up top, and you can move this around, you have this kind of backtesting window. Okay, so let me show you how to do this in the easiest way possible. First, you have to select your intervals. If I go over here, I can select a custom interval. So for example, we're just going to do 1 minute over here, but of course you can change that. Then you can select what chart you want to view. You could also go ahead and put on different indicators in case you're interested in that, and if you want to test a specific strategy. So just go ahead and do that, and then when you're done, we're going to come to this part over here, which is basically where it starts. So I can go ahead and click on this play button whenever I want to start, or I can click on this button if I want to skip a candle. So if I skip a candle, of course there's also keybinds, as you can see. Control plus space will do that. I'm going to just press it for you right now so you can see what I'm doing. And then here you can just see you can hop on through different candles. Now for example, let's say at this point I want to go ahead and make a buy. So I'm going to do quantity, and I'm just going to do 0.1 here, and I'm going to click on buy. And as you can see here, I've successfully bought. Now this is actually very easy, and then you can just go ahead and click on this play button, and it's going to start playing. And right now it's going through. I could also, there we go, for example, now I could pause and I could do sell that amount. There we go. And here on the right, as you can see, you can also kind of see your object tree in case you are interested. And then down here at the bottom, again, you have your unrealized P&L, you have your account balance that's left, and you have a bunch of different other things. Now of course you could just drag this up like this, and you'll be able to see your open positions, your pending orders, your closed positions, stuff like that. And you can then drag it back down whenever you don't want to see it anymore, just so we can have the bigger picture of what's actually going on over here. Now you here, as you can see, you can also move your take profits, you can move your stop losses, you can go ahead and even cancel your orders like this. So as you can see, you could go ahead and close at 100%, you could close the amount, you could do whatever you want here. So it's completely up to you. It's just like trading or TradingView or any of the platforms you're used to. And then you can just go back up here, play it again, and as you can see, it's gonna play. Right now it's going through by 1 minute. I could go ahead and set this to actually skip by 5 minutes every single second. And if I play this, as you can see, it's going to kind of start skipping over these candles. Now, of course, it's skipping 5 because I am on a 1 minute chart, and I have on 5 minute skips over here. If I did, for example, 30 minutes, it would do 30 candles over here per second like this, as you can see. And of course, you can play around and kind of adjust these intervals yourself. So that's pretty much how you use FX Replay to backtest. It's honestly very simple. Just use this terminal over here. You can then place the order over here as well if you don't want to use the buy or sell button down here, because it is a bit more convenient since you can choose the type of order you want to do. And then if you want to add stop losses or take profits or auto break evens or whatever you want to do, and then you can of course just slide this up and see your current statuses with open positions, pending orders, and then closed positions. And over here you can always track your P&L, go to the analytics, and it's going to show you how you are currently performing. So that's pretty much how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.